Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel. Today we learn a moral story. Unity is strength. So let's start. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived three brothers. They often quarreled with each other over little things. Each brother thought he was stronger and smarter than the others, and they never helped one another. Their father, an old wise man, saw this and became worried. He knew that if they did not learn to work together, they would face difficulties in the future. One day he called his sons and handed each of them a stick. Can you break the stick? The father asked. Each brother easily broke the stick in half. The father smiled and gave them a bundle of sticks tied together. Now try to break this bundle, he said. The brothers tried with their strength, but they could not break the bundle. No matter how hard they tried, the sticks stayed strong. The father then said, "You see, alone each of you is like a single stick, easy to break. But together you are like the bundle of sticks, strong and unbreakable." The brothers understood their father's lesson. From that day on, they worked together, helping each other in everything they did. The village noticed how much stronger and happier they became when they stayed united. And so they lived peacefully, knowing that unity is strength.